Hello, welcome to Unicorn Princess Tarot. So this is for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Pa-comment na lang dyan guys sa baba. If you want to book a personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader, search mo lang siya sa Facebook. And yeah. Kung ikaw ay taga Las Piñas, baka gusto mo i-check yung aking restaurant guys, Jelly's Restaurant, yan, along Naga Road, Las Piñas. Baka maabutan or makita mo ko doon. Anyway, this is for the sign of, ano to? Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. Main energy, Queen of Swords, okay. The Devil. Justice card. That's Libra energy. Inom lang ako guys. Okay. Queen of Swords and the Devil, I feel like there's someone, or maybe this is yourself. You're cutting off something na alam mong hindi nakakabuti para sa'yo. Like with the Devil, these are hobbies or pangit na kaugalian, or maybe something, maybe a person in the past na parang dinidistansyahan mo itong taong ito. And with the Justice card, you're just being truthful sa sarili mo. Like for example, pag alam mong hindi nakakabuti sa yung isang bagay, ikaw na ito na nagsasabi sa sarili mo ng katotohanan na, hindi yan makakabuti para sa'yo. Hindi ito makakabuti para sa akin. Gagawin ko, tanggalin ko tong bagay na to kasi bakit? And if this is a person in the past, you're being truthful sa sarili mo sa kung anong meron sa connection ninyo. Kumbaga parang sinasampal mo yung sarili mo sa katotohanan na, bakit kailangan mong magtiis dito sa taong to, hindi, i-cut off mo na siya, parang ganun. Ikaw na ito na nagiging honest sa sarili mo. You're moving on, and you want to be a better person. Kaya mo to gagawin kasi gusto mong maging mas better, and you feel like yung pagka-cut off sa mga bagay or tao na ito ay ang mas makakapagpa-better sa'yo. And honestly, hindi lang naman ito applicable sa love. Pwedeng pati sa, yun nga, sa sarili mo, or maybe pagdating sa career, or if you do have a business, maybe you're cutting off employees or people na tingin mong hindi naman nakakatulong sa business mo. Anyway, sino tong person na nakakonect mo pagdating sa love for the sign of Earth sign? Take only what resonates. Take only what resonates. Spirit guides, angel guides. What do you have here for Earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn? Four of Pentacles is here. Ten of Pentacles. The Hierophant, Taurus energy. Capricorn, Virgo is also here. This person is, I don't know, somehow, magaling siya mag-ipon ha. Maybe this person has a lot of money. Kasi siya yung tipo ng tao na marunong or magaling mag-ipon. Sometimes medyo obsessed or ano siya. Talagang parang sabihin na natin lalabas sa kanya yung pagiging yung mga pera, kuripot, ganun. Pwedeng lumabas sa taong ito kasi ganun talaga siya. But anyway, the Hierophant is here at the bottom of the deck. Some of you, pag kailangan ng tulong, ito yung person na gusto mong lapitan or dapat mong lapitan. Or nararamdaman mo na gusto mag-open dito sa taong to regarding the problems that you have. So maybe this is an advisor or a friend or a person na tinatama niya yung landas mo pag namamali ka. Or maybe a teacher can help you with regards to your problem. Ayan, siya yung tipo ng taong makakatulong sa'yo. Some of you, kahit financial, usapang financial, pwedeng ganun. Anyway, let's talk about your emotions. Anong emotions ninyo sa isa't isa? for the sign of Earth sign. Naririnig ko yung sign na Libra. Could be dealing with the Libra. Or maybe you do have Libra in your chart. You do have here the World. This is Major Arcana and also the Moon. Chariot is at the bottom of the deck. You have a lot of emotions dito sa person na ito. Maybe you see this as someone na may spiritual connection sa inyo. Lumalabas siya sa dreams mo. And with the World, you're being more open dito sa person na ito. Like, parang free siya na i-take ka or parang you're open. You know, lalo with the Moon. Willing kang magpaka-vulnerable dito sa taong to. But I feel like may pag-iwas man sa'yo. Pero just in case na tama na ang panahon or tama na yung actions niya para sa'yo, hindi ko nakikitang iiwas ka pa. I feel like yung iba sa inyo ay ang focus mo ay sa ibang options, maybe other people or ibang dapat mong pagtuunan ng pansin for now. Emotions ng taong to para sa'yo. Queen of Pentacles, Two of Pentacles. I want to clarify this. What's with the Queen of Pentacles and Two of Pentacles, please? You do have here the Death card and the Ace of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Wheel of Fortune. So, I feel like this person medyo distracted siya ngayon. And remember like what I've told you, itong person ito mukhang pera, ganun, medyo may pagkakuripot and so on and so forth. So ngayon medyo importante sa kanya yung kanyang career. And so if ever na nagkakaroon ng ending sa inyong dalawa, I feel like kasalanan niya, 'di ba? Kasi masyado siya nagfo-focus sa pera. I feel like regarding the connection, if ever na may spiritual connection sa inyo, binabalance niya yung spiritual connection and the 3D connection sa inyong dalawa. What will happen in the near future sa connection na ito? Eight of Pentacles, the Magician. Two of Cups, Eight of Wands. The Sun. Nine of Pentacles. King of Swords. Okay. Five Cups is here. There's partnership actually in the near future sa inyong dalawa. Eight of Wands, this is like actions mula sa taong ito or maybe ikaw, I don't know, but I can see actions na magiging dahilan para magkaroon ng partnership or even relationship sa inyong dalawa. The Magician, I feel like with the Eight of Pentacles, you will create a lot of positive change, especially pagdating sa iyong career, sa iyong money, and kung ano man itong mga bagay na inaral mo, maybe it has something to do with your skills, nakikita natin na develop at nagagamit mo ito in the near future. I can see you earning or kumikita ng pera gamit dito sa mga bagay na ito. In the future, nakakita tayo ng masayang connection with you and this person. It's like pwedeng magiging nandyan itong person na ito to give you advice, especially pag sa usaping pera. And with the King of Swords, your King of Swords is coming back. Like you are the Queen of Swords, you deserve to have your King of Swords. Pareho nga lang kayo ng ugali, no? So, maybe hindi mo pa masyadong ganun nakikita or nakakausap or nakikilala itong person na ito pagdating sa totoong ugali niya. But, the Five of Cups is at the bottom of the deck though. I want to clarify this. What's with the Five of Cups? Four of Swords and the Five of Wands. And the Justice card. Something to do with career. I can see problem with regards sa career. Kalungkutan mula dito. And I feel like ito yung magiging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng pagbabalik sa person na ito. Kasi malungkot yung isa regarding sa kanyang career. And I don't know if that's you or your person. Like, possible that there's some kind of hindi magandang balita. Like, for some of you, pwedeng itong person na ito magkaroon siya ng pagkawala or pag-end ng kanyang career. And parang wala siyang ibang malalapitan kundi ikaw. And yun yung magiging dahilan kung bakit magkakaroon ng simula or magandang simula sa inyong dalawa. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe. Thank you very much. And I love you all and bye-bye.